Final video to fix Horizon Forbidden West black screen bug and crashing problems. And if your game won't launch or crashes randomly, this video is for you. Are you frustrated because every time you try to play Horizon Forbidden West on PC, the screen stays black, the game freezes, or it crashes during gameplay? Make it unplayable? This usually happens because of outdated graphics drivers, corrupted game files, or conflicts with DirectX and Windows updates. Most solutions on YouTube or social media are long, confusing, and full of complicated steps, asking you to reinstall Windows or tweak hidden system files, which can be risky. On Rexist, I focus on simple and safe fixes. In this video, I will share a secret easy trick that fixes the black screen and crashing issues without losing your save files. This method updates your GPU drivers, repairs and verifies game files, and adjusts display settings to ensure Horizon Forbidden West launches and runs smoothly. It works on Windows 10 and Windows 11, keeps your progress safe, and takes only a few minutes. If Horizon Forbidden West keeps crashing or showing a black screen, this solution will get your game running perfectly again. If you want a full step-by-step tutorial showing every click and setting, comment below and let Rexis know, and I will guide you until your game works flawlessly.